Hey guys, Jack here with MajorLeagueTrading.com coming at you with tonight's free video. It is May 17th, 2017, and there was a huge move across the markets. Starting out in the currencies, in last night's premium video, I actually went over how I thought there was going to be a huge move in the Japanese yen. I was able to capture it and personally have a all-time record trade for me in the yen. I have never hit a $6,000 trade in the yen before, and you can see my open P&L is about $6 grand here, and the market just reopened here. But this entire move, I started getting long the breakout last night, and I held this entire move. Just to give you an idea how big this candle is on the daily chart. Let me get rid of all these old drawings here that I have going years back, but check out how powerful this candle is higher. So that's why I'm continuing to hold. I expect us at least to get up into this gap here. And that's what I'm initially going to hold for. At that point in time, it should be about a $10,000 trade. And then if we run all the way up into this profit target, where you can see I have my exit on the market, that it would actually be a $20,000 trade. That'll take a while. I would expect that to actually take at least 20 trading days to a full month. But the cool thing about this is even at this point in time with $6,000 of profits on the board, of course nothing's locked in or closed, the trade is still open, so it could go against me, but I actually entered this trade with about $350 of risk, and that was the size of my stops, which for me makes futures trading so cool. It's not often you're able to get in these trades. I mean, you look at this candle, you look at this chart, there's not a single day on the board with this big of a move up, and the fact that I was in that day, or in the day of this big of a move up. Last time there was, this size of a move, it was going all the way back to July of last year. So July of 2016, we're coming up of the summer months, and I'm thinking that we can actually take out this swing high and potentially holding for that. So that's what I have on here in the 6J right now. And then if you take a look at the S&P 500 / ES, huge move down in that market as well. I fully expect, check out that, guys, that's a crack and a half. I fully expect us to retest these lows here going back to 23, 22, and potentially even break them and move back into the high we broke out of this area right here. So if we break these 23, 22s, that's something to pay attention to. I definitely think we trade down there over the course of the next week. There will be a lot of volatility coming into the markets, and then below that, guys, we're going to have this 22.95 to 22.88 level, so take a look at that. And anyways, guys, that's going to conclude tonight's video. Everybody trade safe, and I'll see those of you who are in my trade room tomorrow.